Welcome to the almost all white desk setup where everything is almost white except for the keyboard. Oh, and me. I partnered with Deskhouse to give away this Detroit desk. This is a $675 standing desk. You don't have to get it in white. You can also get it in black or silver. So make sure you guys watch closely and check the description for more details on how to enter. I've also got a ton of coupon codes for you guys. So if you like what you see, links and the coupon codes will also be in the description below. At the core of the setup is the standing desk. And this is the Detroit desk from Deskhouse. I really like these guys. I happened to meet them when I was in Michigan. A mutual friend introduced us and I got to tour their warehouse and I just really like these guys. Look, for the money, you are getting the best standing desk possible. A lot of these other major brands like Autonomous, I actually have an Autonomous desk over there, which they sent to me for free. All their stuff is sourced from China. Deskhouse sources all their stuff out of Michigan. And for the money, like you're just getting so much more. For example, there is a wire snake over there, which helps manage the wires coming off the desk. It's a super unique wire management solution. And in addition, you are getting a tool set. They comes with a tool set, made in Michigan tool set, which is a super nice tool set, and it comes in a Pelican case. So you can take the stuff out of there and use the Pelican case on travel if you've got sensitive things. It's amazing. On top of that, they're using a paddle shifter. All these base standing desk models will come with a really janky up-down only thing. This paddle can do it all. It's got memory features. It'll buzz you and alert you to stand up every few minutes. It's got child lock in case you've got children. And here's the best part. This thing has a 20-year warranty. It's the best warranty, I think, compared to any other standing desk company. And the thing is, the Detroit desk goes so low. It goes so low that you could buy this when your kid is like a child. And because of the 20-year warranty, it'll basically last them for their entire lives. The tabletop is 59 by 30, and it's got a powder coat finish. Again, all the other competitors are just gonna use a gloss finish or something like that, but this has got a powder coat, so it looks really good and feels really nice as well. If you find that you need a wider top, the legs do widen out, so you can put any size desktop on here. And because they're based in Michigan, if you have an issue, when you call Deskhouse's customer support, 99% of the time, you're gonna be dealing directly with the CEO, Chris Marcados, rather than some clueless representative. You can use my code AhnestlyDetroit for $25 off. Like I said, I partnered with Deskhouse to give away this Detroit desk. You don't have to get it in white, you can get it in black or in silver. But in order to enter the giveaway, you gotta like this video, get subscribed, hit that notification bell, and leave any comment down below. Then head over to my Instagram page, like this post, follow me, and leave any comment down below. Then head over to Deskhouse's social medias and follow them on YouTube and Instagram. Now, I will be verifying that you followed all of these rules, and the reason why I ask you to go to Instagram is because on YouTube, I have no way of contacting you. So this is kind of an effort to grow my socials, but it's also because I wanna do this authentically, like legitimately. So again, follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna be choosing a winner from there. If you don't do these things, I will verify, you will be disqualified. The giveaway ends June 3rd, so make sure you guys enter today. If you want the sturdiest standing desk that money can buy, Deskhouse also sells a 4-leg, which is their Apex Pro, and you can use code Ahnestly for $50 off. The desk mat and shelf are made from Grovemade. The wool desk pad looks incredible, but it can be a little scratchy if you have sensitive wrists. The desk shelf is seriously the best desk shelf design I've ever seen on the market, and I think they know that, which is why they charge as much as they do. It looks beautiful, and I found it's the only solution where adding storage to your desk actually doesn't create more clutter. I know that sounds weird. I much prefer this solution, and what's cool about this combo is that if you need to clear your desk a bit to write on a notepad or something, you can just slide everything forward to clear up some room. Again, this stuff is not cheap, but you can get 5% off when you use my link below and code Ahnestly. The keyboard is the Keychron Q3, and for those with keen eyes, you probably noticed that there is a knob right here. Kudos to you for seeing that. I love this design. I love this knob being here, and in this setup, this blue color really just pops. It also sounds absolutely fantastic. The mouse is the white Logitech G Pro X Superlight, and what's awesome is that there's a company called EZKeys that made a wireless charger for all Logitech G series mice, including the Pro X Superlight. It has a USB port in the front so you can put your dongle in there, and then this connects to your PC via USB-C, And if you pop out the bottom cover of your mouse and set it in, it'll start charging totally wirelessly. It'll turn red when it's charging, and when it's not charging, you can control the LED light using their software. You can use my link and code for 5% off the wireless charger. I'm using a magnetic NZXT Puck on my standing desk legs to hold my headphones, the Sony WH-1000 XM4s. This way I don't ever knock my headphones off of a stand and I can access them really easily. And over here on the other side, I've got my RGB lamp that I got from Aliexpress. It looks really nice, and I like that it had a really slim profile, and you can go from having solid colors and it's super bright to a party mode. I really like that. I hid the remote for it under the desk using Velcro to keep the top clean. I wanted a high quality monitor arm that can hold a ton of weight with no issue, and this thing met all the requirements, but be warned that the cable management on it is pretty useless because the screws that hold in the plastic cover that holds your and hides your cables is impossible to get in and out. It took me like 30 minutes to do so, and I ended up stripping all the screws, so buyer beware. I've got a Google Home Mini here to help me control some automation. Hey, turn on the dark backdrop. And then you've got my favorite watch here from a company called Dan Henry. I'm not affiliated with them in any way, I just really like his stuff. You might have noticed the lounge chair in the background, and I get questions about this thing all the time. It's a replica of the Herman Miller Eames lounge chair, and I love it so much. I've always loved this chair design, but I could never afford the real one, which costs like $7,000 to $12,000. This one here is the fake replica, and it's 1/10 of the price of the original. The one I have here is the fake leather version in the regular size, which I bought on Amazon, but I would recommend that anybody over 5'5" get the tall version. I've also partnered with a reputable brand, Sona.com, that sells a real leather version of this for about $100 more than the Amazon sellers, but using my link gets you $35 off. And they also do a regular and tall size as well, so make sure you check them out. The bright red chair that you see here is a chair that I'm testing right now. This is the Core 360, and I am loving this thing. It was made by a doctor, and it's super fun to sit in, helps me feel more awake throughout the day. It's a really great companion to a standing desk, and a full review is coming soon, but you can check my link down below and code Ahnestly for 5% off. Make sure you guys follow all the instructions to enter the giveaway, and good luck to you guys, and coupon codes and links again are all in the description below. Stay honest.